Dimpy ji, we had met at a recent event, and you and I were on the stage. We were talking about how astrology and healthcare work together. What is the role of astrology in healthcare? And I was very intrigued by what you were telling us, and I felt that we should carry on this conversation beyond just healthcare in terms of astrology and what people think about astrology. Is there a science behind astrology? There are so many questions that people have, so I thought we should have this conversation. Thank you so much for taking our time. एंड आप मुहूर्त में बहुत बिलीव करते हैं, क्या ये सही मुहूर्त है हमारी बात करने का?
First of all, I will thank you for picking up this topic because astrology is being spoken about in a very different manner. And yes, the Murat is not appropriate, but the role of an astrologer and intellectual people and intelligent people is to get the best out of the worst periods also. So today is like Tuesday and it's like Chitra Nakshatra. I'm sure in the morning episode you must have had a very different experience of your interviews, and we will surely come out with something really good out here also.
I'm sure.
But the thing is that the planets are moving and they are moving. So now it is up to us. They are our neighbors. If you just talk about the planet Earth, they are our neighbors. And we have to keep in mind their positioning also.
Right.
Because otherwise also, generally speaking also, even sitting right next to you also, we have vibrations. Okay. Which is also now being, not now being, it is being termed differently in the name of Vastu. Okay, how do you position things? But the point is that we do this vis-a-vis the position of the flat.
Got it.
Vastu was made for a bigger frame. But now we try to make dummies out of like everything. Like bonsai plants.
बिल्कुल.
So we, as it is, have become bonsais.
For how long have you been practicing astrology?
I cannot use the term practicing astrology because I think it is inbuilt in me from the very childhood. As far as I can remember, I used to just say things and I used to be slapped. Why did you say this? So, but that time I didn't understand what it was. Then it was like every time way back, that time life was a little different. I mean, we were just in radio time. So that time people used to meet me and come to me and say, this is what is going to happen with you. Again, that was irrelevant because I did not understand. But then gradually as I grew, I got to know that all that was said to me had started coming true. Then, to be very precisely, I was blessed by a very, very, very famous astrologer. And he told me, you are a born astrologer, but never use the word astrology for yourself. Because it's a blessing. And I'm uneducated, like as of today, comparatively to today, I'm uneducated. So forget about studying about astrology, yes, but it was a blessing all the way around. I was like blessed by the best of the gurus.
आपने मेरे को एक बार ही बताया था कि your third eye opened, and can you tell me about that experience?
There were many experiences like that. Like even lately also, I had a very major experience in this house only. And that third eye also opened with when the major problems crop up and you see no hope anywhere. So then you try to search for hope. Like in all my, if I write that it's a human nature to cling to support. So I knew that I have no human support in life. Being born in whatever kind of family, then marriage, then everything. But every time some supernatural thing used to come to me to save me. Like I was like almost killed at Dholakuma Road. But I survived. There was no way that if you talk about it
from the logic point of view.
Then I had heart attacks during COVID. Again, I saw a supernatural thing waking me up. And me telling the supernatural power that, listen, I have a lot of work left, I don't want to leave it undone. So I was just brought back to life. So being a 6 to 7 times heart attack patient itself is a miracle. With no medical intervention.
Got it. And Is there a science behind all this?
It is just a science, it's the mother of all sciences.
Uh-huh.
I see astrology as a big tree, then all the offshoots which people talk about right now, numerology, readings, this reading, that reading, including Vastu. If you do not do the Vastu on the right timing, it's a flop. Then you can keep blaming.
Acha.
Okay, bhai, I had got the best of the person, I spent so much of money, I did this. Everything is vis-a-vis your soul, not even your horoscope. Because when you were born, there were lakhs of people born all around the world. So are all leading the same life?
Correct.
I'm very sure when all the other previous prime ministers were born, there were thousands of people more born.
Correct.
But did they all become the prime ministers? They did not. So my question to the very big esteemed astrologers when I got into this field was that why do twins live differently? If they give me a technical answer of few seconds of difference, I don't take it. So my own answer to my own question was that it's the soul. That soul has had a different journey from the past life, and this soul has had a different journey from the past life.
Dimpiji, in fact, when we had the conversation last time on the stage in front of almost like 300 people, I had said that if anyone wants to make sense of the conversation, they have to drop all inhibitions, not be judgmental, just listen to what is being said and then contextualize, right? You always told me that, Harbinder, I have not been educated, I have not studied. Now when people come to you or when you come in contact with people, do they have a conversation with a predefined doubt in their mind? How do you explain to these people your point of view of astrology or such kind of studies, that it is based on some scientific evidence?
The best evidence is that anybody, including you, cannot talk of astrology if it is not there indicated in your horoscope. So the people who come to me at one point of time in life, mostly people come to find a sharp-edged, materialistic answer. Okay, yes, this is going to be it. And they're like, they have notions in their mind. Okay, we have this girl we want to marry because she's rich, the father is doing this, and it can be a clubbed business thing. So hence, we will marry here, and please find out a date when, when all the rishtedar are coming from all abroad, so that all the money is saved and everybody is saved and we can all enjoy our life. So I said, no, you're not paying money to a clerical person. Okay, if you pay me extra, I'll give you a better muhurat. No, muhurat will be muhurat.
But I'll go deeper into this question. Is it truly a science, or is it a science of belief systems or anecdotal, evidences?
It's a science because it's an extension, you can say, of astronomy. If astronomy is termed as science, it is the outcome of astronomy. If you have come to this house today, there has to be an outcome.
Correct.
Either you've come to fight with me, or you've come to clear your doubts, or you've come here to tell me, listen, I don't believe in this astrology and all, so please next time I don't want to interview you. There are three things, three options. So everything has an outcome.
Correct.
And it is a perfect science. And I think I said this on the stage also, it's the scientist who goes wrong. And because of those honorable scientists who go wrong, we are in question. And we are in question because it's not a streamlined subject.
Correct.
Which is also a very sad thing. Because this is the output from our dharti. And we are not honoring it correctly.
Correct.
Whether you talk of Ayurveda, also, which herb is to be plucked on what nakshatra and fed to which person. Because every nakshatra has a given plant or a herb, which is your genetic herb, which should be with you. and also it applies to homeopathy. We have the 12 rashis and the 12 salts. So every rashi has a particular salt, which is your baseline.
Okay.
It's like staple food.
Right.
You go to this state, this food is the staple food. Similarly, we have our staple salts. But the point is, who's going to tell you all of this? We want quick results. Quick marriage, quick divorces, quick money making system, and quick surgeries and quick removal of your problems
Got it.
health wise. So in this quick age, how to gel the astrology part is very difficult. But I have still been lucky enough to for people who come and they still have the patience to get into it. The number is getting lesser and lesser every day. But there's still something is going to keep it alive.
आपने अभी बोला that you've been lucky enough.
Yeah.
Is there luck which is based on astronomy? Because उस समय आपके लिए अच्छा है, वो टाइम अच्छा चल रहा है, आपकी किस्मत अच्छी है, तो डेस्टिनी और एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल स्टडी में what is the relation?
The destiny part, that which is very easily defined, is that if you get something, you very convenient say it was written and I got it. But 90% of the people say I worked hard and I got it.
Yes.
Okay, if you don't get it, then they leave it to God. Okay, he didn't want, so it didn't happen. So number one, what is written in destiny cannot be properly read, because we don't find people who will read it for you. There is destiny for sure. Now destiny combined with the right muhurta, with the right mahadasha, with the right person to guide you, is luck.
Got it.
So I think there is a saying that good luck knocks at your door. If you open the door, it is yours. If it doesn't, then it goes to the next door.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay. So the combination of finding the right combinations, and one more thing, without you asking this question, I'm going to say it, that people say, I'm trying to find a guru. If you're that intelligent that you can choose a guru, you might as well don't need a guru. Because it's a guru who finds the Shishya. Because I have to see my Jupiter position and your Jupiter position and your nakshatra and my nakshatra. If they are matching, we can walk together.
It's a very, the statement that you made, the guru finds the shishya, right? Or some. Now, there are people who may not have studied their astrological charts or anything, but they meet each other. Are there vibes that you can feel that, this person is the right person? There's a need to connect with this person. Can people feel these vibes? Is there something called aura which you can sense, which each person can sense?
It's a very lengthy answer to this. Aura nowadays is evaluated by the surroundings. You go to a nice hotel, you go to a nice place. People have built up many ashrams in the name of astrology or giving guidance to people. So you just get carried away. My way of thinking is, teach somebody something which they can follow in their everyday life. Because to go and have peace for 10 days is very easy.
Correct.
To come back and be with that peacefulness is very difficult. So again, coming back to this, is again the role of the learned astrologer to tell you that, boss, I cannot do your work. Or your horoscope does not show the provision to get you relief by remedies or prayers. You have to be practical and please follow these rules. Now what happens is, people think somebody else is going to guide him, so might as well get some money out of it.
Right.
So again, coming back to the thing is that the scientist is going wrong, scientist is going lalchi, hence the subject questioned. It's not that we don't have other professionals doing wrong things, but they all have a certain certified license. Unfortunately, we do not have it.
Right.
My request to everybody is that when will this happen? And because of this, we have other people going into this field and extracting money, giving even a badder name to this.
I totally agree with you. I think there's a need to set standards
Yes.
and the minimum qualifications for people to legitimatize the profession of astrology, so that you are able to understand that are you with the right people or
With the
not.
right people. No, there has to be. If we are doing into the computer system, the computer will immediately tell you that this shishya you cannot work for. It we should feed in the calculations. Can I do work for this person? It will say no,
Got it.
or it will give you 18%, 50%, 20%, 30%, and then it's up to you to decide, or up to the person who wants help to decide.
And Dimpiji, you spoke about soul,
Yes.
right? Now, when we talk about birthdays, that's the basis of most astrology as known to a common man. But if we talk about taking birth as a soul coming in, then the soul comes in much earlier. I mean, the life has come in much before you actually physically came on to this earth at a hospital. So, should the birthdays be different than what we consider?
प्रारब्ध पहले बना, फिर बना शरीर.
Exactly. हाँ.
तो जब when in your last birth you left your body, you had a journey. It's not that you just went away and then you came back within seconds. Yes, that also does happen. Not always what they show in films, but yes, sometimes I have also seen it. I have a practical example at home. So what happens is that after having the man and the woman coming together on a certain date, which again today is not followed because it just happens. So for me, I say most of the children are results as accidents because they've just come. Okay, we've got more provisions for abortions, for getting rid of it, and whatever. But it is now decided कि जब embryo बना है, whether the soul has entered there or 3 months later on or whatever. See, you can be at the biggest scientist, but you still need the 9 months for pregnancy and the 9 planets.
Correct.
So every planet has its month. So now it depends. Now again it comes to the astrologer. वो ये पत्री देखकर बता देगा -9 months करेगा. Because आजकल तो कोई किसी को बताता नहीं है कि आपने कब कंज्यूमेट किया और क्या हुआ और नहीं हुआ. So then it comes to that point that I have to see कि जब इसके सूर्य लग रहा था प्रेगनेंसी में तो तब हुआ है, तो आत्मा वहाँ से आई है. राहु का है तो अतृप्त आत्मा है. अब यहाँ पर उसने पूरी तृप्तियाँ करनी है अपनी. तो मैं तो साफ बोल देती हूँ कि भाई जो जी में आए करो, तुम रुकोगे तो हो नहीं किसी से. Otherwise, why these jails and why these police stations, why courts, why everything?
Correct.
So when people say, if what is written in destiny will happen, I said, close the courts. Somebody was to be killed, was killed. So why are you creating so much of a hassle? So it is a answer that we can give for like 1 month for one answer, for one question. Like I can just ask you to open your calculators on your mobile and just say 12 rashis multiplied by 9 planets multiplied by 27 nakshatras multiplied by 4 charan. is the minimum number of calculations one has to do when you see the horoscope. Which human brain without a blessing can do this? So here is the answer. And everybody wants that 1 hour session in which they want to finish the horoscope and say everything. The moment they'll open the horoscope, say, what is there in store? How is my tomorrow going to be? Whatever you've done today is going to be the result of tomorrow. It's only sometimes that you murder today, and the murder time, Nakshatra says that you will be caught after 11 months. I have seen, I can't call them Pandits, I can't call them astrologers. I have seen people who could read the Panchang and give people dates. Okay, do dacoity on this date, you'll never be caught. That applies to taxation also.
Dimple ji, when you work on Kundlis, when you are knowing the date of conception or approximate date of conception, can you figure out that what is in store for that particular person, or what kind of life will that soul live while on this planet?
Yeah. Again, like I said, there are these number of combinations that you have to have. So the first thing that when I open the horoscope, I see the sun and the moon, which are generally the only two visible gods that we have. Rest are there. So I see sun as the Atma and moon as the mind. Okay. So when we talk about Ramayana Yuga, it was the Suryavanshi.
Acha.
When we talk about the Krishna Yuga, it was the Chandravanshi. So when the Ramayana Yuga was going on, everything was spoken about from the soul. Sachai, Achai. When we came to our great Krishna, everything was a mind game. He did everything. He manipulated everything. And there are so many incidents which we can just talk about on how to change all of this. So what happens is that when the person comes, I see that this person will never change. You can give them any advice. So I tell them, you can get away with murder. You'll never be caught. As simple as that. And on the other hand, I can see people who make the minutest mistakes and they are caught. It's like crossing the red light. 4 cars have gone, they have gone, the 5th one has been caught.
Right.
So these are many small globules in this horoscope which you can never endingly discuss. And here is the soul. That soul, now from their past birth, what you have not done or what you have not achieved, maybe you will do in this birth. So I feel it is my duty to tell the person, boss, do this so that you get away from that whatever you did not do in your last birth. And then you can move forward. Otherwise you are stuck up there only.
Right.
What I mean to say by all of this is these short remedies that come nowadays, it's like shooting everywhere. Do this, patta jalao, patthar chatao, sindhur lagao, to ye ho jayega. I only wish it was that simple.
Dimple ji, मेरे को बहुत बारी when you're talking to people और लोग डराते भी हैं.
हाँ.
उनसे बात करो तो वो कहते हैं कि आप पिछले जन्म में यहाँ पे थे, पिछले जन्म में आपके साथ ये हुआ था. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट. मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि सारी सोल्स बस इंडिया में ही थी और इंडिया में ही आई हैं वापस.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
इज दिस स्टडी ऑफ एस्ट्रोनॉमी, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, चार्ट्स applicable globally?
It's applicable, but the point is, like I say, कि ignorance is bliss कह लिया जाए तो आप आंख बंद करके चलते रहो तो बोलो हाँ जी बहुत बढ़िया है. But my experience with people abroad has been much more greater than people from our own land. Because number one, in our own land, people take it for granted कि ये तो है ही हमारा. But when people come from abroad, they are with more dedication. Yes, there are people who want to question, but then if explained, sometimes they understand.
Right.
Okay, but here people are used to, because there are so many options. डिम्पी नहीं तो कोई और नहीं तो पंडित, पंडित नहीं तो तोते वाला, तोते नहीं तो भैंस चराने वाला, कोई ना कोई तो जवाब दे ही देगा. And people come to fulfill their own aspirations and desires and questions. They try to convince me. You know, why is this not right? I think this is right. Then I said, why are you here?
So they want to hear what they want to hear.
They want to hear what they want to hear. Plus, they want to, later on, when the divorce happens, they'll say, we did go to an astrologer. So again, everything is off their shoulders.
Got it.
Our human nature is escapism and clinging.
Escapism and justifying. That,
Justifying,
post-mortem analysis
Yeah.
This happened because this thing was there.
Yeah. It's like joining, a political party and saying कि उस पार्टी ने ये बोला तो मैंने ये कर दिया, उसने पार्टी ने ये बोला तो मैंने ये कर दिया. What is your thinking?
Correct. And Dimpi ji, when we look at major life decisions, should people in general be going and asking about what they should be doing when they are taking major decisions in their life? Or should they just leave it and not get into this? Because कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि जब किसी से पूछो और वो सच्चाई बताते हैं तो आप डर जाते हो.
हजम नहीं होता.
आप डर जाते हो, ठीक है ना. और जब डर जाते हो तो आप शायद अपने एक्शंस
को डाइवर्ट
करने की कोशिश करते हो. एंड ऑन द कॉन्ट्रेरी इट कुड ऑल्सो बी कि आपने बड़ी अच्छी चीज़ करी तो आप उस चीज़ के पीछे शुरू हो जाते हो जो आप अदरवाइज नहीं सोच रहे थे. सो शुड पीपल बी चेकिंग ऑन व्हाट दे शुड बी डूइंग और व्हाट इज इन स्टोर फॉर देम while taking important decisions in their life?
This question is so beautiful, but unfortunately the time period is too less to answer it. Most of the time people come when they are stuck. They want to use astrology as a weapon. Astrology should be used as a tool.
Right.
कि जब आपका बच्चा पैदा हुआ, माँ बाप ने उसको संरक्षण दिया. Or like when the teacher in the class, you have 40 students, 20 students, all don't become Einsteins. ठीक है? So the same is here. Unfortunately, in my life period of 35 years of experience, I have seen people come when they don't find any other way out. By that time, that good period or the right period has already slipped away. So most of the time we have to tell them, boss, मरता क्या ना करता, अब तो चलिए आप जैसे मर्जी आपने करना है. देन अगेन वी हैव पीयर प्रेशर. मम्मी ने ये कहा, पापा ने ये कहा, सास ने ये कहा, वाइफ ने ये कहा, फिर तुम क्यों पूछ रहे हो, फिर उनको पूरी फैमिली को ले आओ. देन आई टेल देम ब्रिंग द होल फैमिली, लेट मी लिसन टू देयर नोशंस, देन आई विल आंसर. सो एस्ट्रोलॉजी बीइंग अ साइंस can only be a science when we are left like surgeons who take the patient, wheel the patient inside and anesthesia deke, then they do what is needed.
Right.
But in our case, we are told what to do. So here is where this science is not getting the honors. And unfortunately, human soul, forget human souls, animals, plants also are not getting the benefit. But what do we do? When we go for surgery, that time you are not instructing the doctor what to do. That's a science. This is also a science.
So you have to trust the system, you have to surrender and let...
Right time.
Right time.
Right time. अब सरेंडर कर दिया, किसी गलत आदमी को कर दिया तो भी फंसे।
आपने मेरे को कुछ बताया और मैंने वो सुना, और आपने कोई अच्छी चीज़ बताई मेरे को और मैंने सुनी, और मैंने उसके बारे में सोचना शुरू कर दिया, and then that thing actually happens.
It happens. That
Now,
that is there.
is this destiny, astrology, astronomy that it is making that happen, or is it the law of attraction? Do you believe in the law of attraction? Is it real?
You've said it all.
Uh-huh.
Whatever words you've used, they are all used.
Right.
I'll have a very, very small story to say out here, that everything is applicable. Law of attraction, blessings, karma, everything is there. I think people who have heard me will get bored that she started with the story again. It's a very short story. A child is born and an astrologer says, just throw the child. He's useless. He's a murderer. He's going to make your life hell. So sometimes people believe to that extent also. And the mother takes a child and puts it next to the nadi. जैसे कर्ण को किया गया था कि भाई अब ये तो मुझे चाहिए नहीं। तो अब हम जो बात बोलते हैं कि माँ महान, माँ देवी, माँ, वो भी आप एप्लीकेबल नहीं होता है। सो माँ वहाँ पर बच्चे को रखती है, तो एक साधु का पैर पड़ता है उसके ऊपर, and he says, what happens? She's saying, I want to discard the child because it's you, I'm going to be in trouble because of him. So the sadhu says, you've discarded him. Give it to me. Never come to see him. So the sadhu takes the child, and the mother, after a few months or whatever, being a mother, starts giving dal, chawal, ration to that ashram, कि my child is here. But that sadhu does not let the mother see the child. After many years, he says, do you want to see your child? But don't scream, because he's still doing what you said. वो रोज 3-4 खून करता है। So she's saying, mother, I want to see him. So he brings the child out. He's saying, I've made him a surgeon. He still does the same thing. So if I have answered my question, I think I've answered everything. Everything on the right time, on the right track, can give the bestest of the results. So I also define astrologers as two different people. One is a physician, one is a surgeon. I believe in pure surgery because of my own horoscope, which has gone through traumas in life. And I've repaired it through my own surgery and the blessings of all the great people who came into my life. So I think I've answered all your questions.
Absolutely.
It's the vibration, it's the area, it's the atmosphere, it is the thought process, and the right time, right thing to be done.
अगर लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है, and you know what I understand from what you're saying कि है, आप you can attract positivity, you can attract good things, negativity also.
Yeah.
तो उपाय की क्या ज़रूरत है? जब हम एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास जाते हैं, why can't they just guide us towards law of attraction, that you can create whatever you wish by your thoughts, by attracting positivity, by acting upon it, and make things happen? Why do you need upayas?
Superb question. The superb question is that even though I have so many idols in my house, I respect them, but even then if somebody will ask me, do we need a temple in the house? My answer is the house is a temple. Okay. Now coming to this point, it's like going to nursery school. When a child writes, वो कितना बड़ा A लिखता है, फिर छोटा होता है, फिर छोटा होता है, फिर छोटा होता है, फिर छोटा होता है. So these remedies, sometimes, like I said, your past birth, leftover work, sometimes have to be removed so that you can move forward. It's like cleaning a house and then bringing in new furniture.
Got it.
And
Cleansing.
And sometimes it is that you need that particular kind of a situation where you can concentrate. So we are given all these things about do this yoga, go to the mountains, go. अरे mountain में योगा करने से वापस आके लाइफ को थोड़ी जूझ लोगे आप लोग, वो
बिल्कुल
तो यहीं झूलना पड़ेगा. जिस मिनिस्ट्री में आपका काम अड़ा हुआ है उसी के क्लर्क को तो सलूट मारोगे, दूसरे को मारने से थोड़ी काम हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
ठीक बात.
सो रेमेडीज को जो आप बोल रहे हो दे आर वेरी वाइडली डिफाइंड. कभी कभी आप किसी को बोल दो कि भाई कुछ नहीं करना है जी, लाल पग पानी है, एंड योर लाइफ विल चेंज. हो जाता है उसकी लाइफ, बट उसकी हॉरोस्कोप उसका वो इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल दिखा रही है. अब जिनका इतना नहीं लेवल है, इट्स लाइक ट्यूटरिंग अ क्लास 4 स्टूडेंट. यू हैव टू टेल देम that you have to write 1000 times, I will never tell a lie, I will never tell a lie. So I've met people where they have said that their gurus told them to sit in the temple and tell everybody that I did so much of dhokadhadi with the taxation people, and your karma will be cleared. Like I said, we can have sessions for the whole 1 year and still not finish. No, with full proof, with all planets and with all defining कि इस period में if you do this, this happens.
Right.
अभी तो I've just given you 12 into 9 into 27 into 4, but the combination is that now which Mahadasha is going on, and the horoscopes that we make are just made of 2-3 dashas. We have 50 Mahadashas. There's no computer person who's calculated all the Mahadashas. So we are not even seeing the full horoscope.
Right. If stars have a role to play, astronomy has led us to astrology. And we say that, people across the world, we are all souls. You may be in US, you may be in Africa, you may be in India. Wherever you are a soul. And stars are affecting everyone. In that case, how does Vedic astrology align itself with the Western concepts? Because at the end of the day, it should all be talking about the same thing.
देश, काल, पात्र.
हाँ.
जहाँ वॉर चल रही है, अगर वहाँ पर जो बच्चा पैदा होता है और जो अहमदाबाद में पैदा होता है, जो सिंगापुर में पैदा होता है, एक ही टाइम पे होगा. माइन्यूट फर्क होगा बिकॉज ऑफ लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड, बट वो बच्चा तो गया, क्योंकि बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हो गया तो वो तो खत्म हो गया. सो इसलिए हम लोग कहते हैं देश, काल और पात्र, कि आपका किस देश में जन्म हुआ है, कौन से काल में हुआ है, कौन से युग में हुआ है, और किस पात्र में हुआ है. आपके पेरेंट्स क्या हैं. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स आर वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट पीपल ऑफ दैट कंट्री, यू आर बाउंड टू बिकम another topmost person, because at that same time the child was born in a house where there was no food. So definitely we ourselves can question ourselves कि अगर सेम टाइम पे कोई बच्चा पैदा हुआ है तो फिर फ्यूचर क्यों फर्क है.
नहीं, वो समझ.
हाँ, तो आपका जो क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ डू दे रिलेट, इट इज फॉर अस टू रिलेट फॉर देम कि लुक, in this period you are born in this place, so this should be your way of living.
Correct. So whether it is done through Vedic astrology or whether it is done through their own system, the outcome of what the life is going to be should be the same.
The system is in the mind of the astrologer, of the scientist.
Right.
You don't have to tell them. The doctor does not tell the person कि I'm going to put the knife so many times
on you. If I understand correctly, methodology different है, but outcome same है.
Methodology भी same है, words नहीं बोले जाते हैं.
अच्छा. So basically, all the astrological sciences across the world are basically aligned with each other.
All aligned. They are all aligned with the planets.
So it's the
And
same
it's
basis.
it's not that Mars is having a different effect on the other part of the world.
Right, right, right.
It's having
Got
the
it.
same effect.
Got it. Got it.
It will have more effect where the war is on. It will have lesser effect where it is peace. अब एक पहाड़ी है, उसमें अगर कहीं पर एक कोई चिंगारी लग गई और आग लग गई और वहाँ कोई ह्यूमन नहीं है, फॉर्म नहीं है, तो ह्यूमन फॉर्म का लॉस नहीं है, तो आप लॉस नहीं करोगे.
बट आपने बताया कि अगर लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं बट समय और टाइम सेम है, डेट एंड समय सेम है, सो प्रीटी मच सिमिलर होगा.
प्रिटी मच सिमिलर होगा. आपका लगन चेंज हो जाएगा, आपकी हाइट चेंज हो जाएगी.
अच्छा.
बट हम इस बात को बिल्कुल नहीं भूलना चाहिए, कौन से पेरेंट्स से आप आए हो. आपकी माँ जो आपको शिक्षा देगी वो आपके यहाँ एम्बेडेड है, उसको निकालने में टाइम लग जाता है.
हम सिर्फ अगर नाम सॉरी डेट ऑफ बर्थ और समय एंड लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड से देख रहे हैं तब भी हमारा जो
कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग है.
रॉन्ग है.
हाँ.
इट इज इनकम्प्लीट.
इट इज इनकम्प्लीट.
गॉट इट. गॉट इट.
From soul to soul, I can only advise if I know कि yes, this is an abandoned child born to a 16-year-old girl who had to abandon it, and then from there I take it. It's not as simple as it is being said, and that is why it is being questioned. It is a wrong thing to compare, but what is the difference between a jhola chap doctor and somebody like the world's famous doctor?
So which means that it is not just one aspect of your information that can be used to create something which is concrete or can be used productively.
It's just the minimum X-ray, then you go to CT scan, MRI scan, then deeper when you are having a kidney transplant. How many tests you have?
अब डिम्पी जी इसके अंदर बहुत सारे एस्पेक्ट्स आते हैं जब हम इंडियन एस्ट्रोलॉजी को हम देखते हैं. एक तो एस्ट्रोनॉमी हो गई, एस्ट्रोलॉजी हो गई, स्टार्स की अलाइनमेंट, स्टार्स की पोजिशनिंग व्हेन यू वर बॉर्न. सेकंड इज वर्ल्ड ओवर द स्पेस ऑल्सो, द फिजिकल स्पेस ऑल्सो मैटर्स. कई जगह फेंगशुई बोलते हैं, इंडिया में वास्तु बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
फिर तीसरा एस्पेक्ट है और एक तीसरा बिलीफ है कि यार ये सब छोड़ दो, अपने कर्म पे फोकस करो. जो आप काम कर रहे हो कॉज एंड इफेक्ट होता है.
हाँ.
ठीक है ना. तो ये तीनों अलाइंड है, तीनों अलग हैं. किसका कितना रोल है? व्हाट इज द बैलेंस ऑफ एस्ट्रोलॉजी, वास्तु एंड कर्म?
अब हमारे को जब when we were in the stage of getting independence, we don't even remember how many murders were done every day, how many people were killed every day.
करेक्ट.
But that was the call of that time. ठीक है. Now the thing is that this applies to if you are a lawyer, do your job correctly. If you are a doctor, do your job correctly. But then again, that time also a doctor and a lawyer or any other person will say, have faith in God. Whichever world you are in,
करेक्ट.
part of the world you are in. So again everything is aligned. Good karma, bad karma, right karma. Because there is nothing called no karma. You can't be sitting idle. If you're sitting idle, you're thinking something really weird. And you're going to mess up.
राइट.
So like I say, everybody needs a finger to hold on to.
बट बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि 50% एस्ट्रोलॉजी है, 25% ये है, 25% ये है. ऐसा कुछ है?
इसके लिए तो बहुत कुछ डिफाइन कर सकते हैं हम लोग. किसी की हॉरोस्कोप में बिल्कुल सेट पैटर्न है. दिस इज हैपनिंग विद अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ हियर एंड देयर. उसमें 10% खाली चेंजेस आते हैं. किसी की हॉरोस्कोप है 50% की, माँ ने ही जिंदगी बर्बाद कर देनी है.
अच्छा.
एंड वी नो some parents are sending their children to the wrong places. That is why the terrorism. I have an answer to everything. Only we are lacking in time. So everything is there, from 1% of no choice to 90% of choice. Now, where your horoscope and your soul's match is the pinpointing.
Got it.
There is no fixed rule in this. Like a childbirth, every mother has a different experience and she feels she's bared the best of the pains, the most of the pain, and she's the only one who can be the mother to that child. It's the same thing. So I experience a new birth every day. Because sometimes I see the person is not going to have faith. I have seen, I go through jungle for temples. And I have seen the people who come to me saying, Didi, I'm a dacoit. Can you see my hand? So I say, yes. I tell them for the next 3 months you can do 3 murders. Can you refrain? Because your daughter is going to get married. And those people are sitting in temples and chanting as on today. So I do not know what name to give this because I don't have somebody who's collecting data for me. Otherwise, God has given me ample of opportunities.
Dimpy ji, मैं थोड़ा सा, I want to understand about Vastu, the role of Vastu as well. Of course, it's a vast topic in itself.
Yeah.
It can take a full day of conversation. Vastu is a science,
वास,
right?
जहाँ आदमी वास करता है उसको वास्तु कहते हैं.
ठीक है.
Now, whether you are doing vastu, traveling in the train, you want to make yourself comfortable for that 1 hour, 2 hours, 10 hours also. On the flight also, you want the best of the things
Correct.
with you.
Correct.
Because it's of comfort. Now, the vastu part is being used for the human comfort. But vastu part is defined for the planet. पहाड़ कट रहे हैं, हीट से बर्फ पिघल रही है. जो natural vastu was given to us by the universe, we are tampering with that. And hence, to keep ourselves comfortable, we are making changes.
हम बहुत myopic view से देख रहे
Penny wise,
हैं.
pound foolish.
Got it.
This is what we are doing. Okay. Now, people come and say, talk about on the phone. I don't want this in the kitchen, this in the kitchen, this in the kitchen, this is facing this. Kitchen के बगल में क्या है? वो भी तो बताओ. No, everything is done on the phone. Vastu starts from me going to that piece of land, picking up a mutti of mitti in my hand and listening to it. Okay, what does it say? Now, defining feng shui and all the other things, you're decorating your room. That when you get up in the morning, you feel you're rich and you're comfortable. For me, that's not vastu.
नहीं, बट जैसे कुछ चीज़ें, फॉर एग्जांपल लोग बोलते हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बाथरूम नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
ठीक है ना, या नॉर्थ ईस्ट खुला छोड़ दो उस जगह को. अब दैट, आई मीन माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द लॉजिक बिहाइंड दिस इज दैट अर्थ इज मूविंग एट अ पर्टिकुलर पेस. अर्थ एक डायरेक्शन में रिवॉल्व कर रही है, तो वो जगह खुली होगी तो घर में हवा और ये सब आएगा. लेकिन आज हम जो घरों में रह रहे हैं,
हाँ,
ये तो 4-4 स्टोरी के मंजिल के वो घर बने हुए आपके साथ में, तो वहाँ से तो कोई ओपनिंग है ही नहीं.
है ही नहीं.
आपने अगर खुला छोड़ दिया तब भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, अगर ये साइंस है तो.
हाँ.
लेकिन अगर हम किसी वास्तु वाले के पास जाते हैं, वो हमारे को बोलता है कि इधर नहीं होगा तो आपके साथ आपका पैसा नहीं बचेगा, अगर यहाँ पे नहीं होगा तो इंसान बीमार पड़ जाएगा. इज दैट अ रियलिटी?
मैं एक सिंगल लाइन में इसका जवाब देना चाहूँगी. इट्स लाइक अ पर्सन हु इज बीइंग टेकन फॉर लाइफ सेंटेंस, बट उससे पहले उसको डॉक्टर के पास भेजा जाता है. अगर हड्डी टूटी है, उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो उसको रिपेयर कर दिया जाता है. तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली यू आर टॉकिंग ऑफ दैट वास्तु. खत्म तो है ही सब कुछ, बस उस खत्म में थोड़ी बहुत ही रोशनी निकाल लो. बट दिस इज नॉट वास्तु. जितने ये रॉक्स निकाले जा रहे हैं, जैसे कृष्ण जी ने कहा था, जो करधनी में उन्होंने पहाड़ उठाया था, उसका मतलब ये थोड़ी था करधनी में पहाड़ उठा लिया, मतलब कि माउंटेन्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस.
करेक्ट.
नाउ माउंटेन्स आर बीइंग, देयर आर टेम्पल्स, बट वहां पर all the plastic is going, all muck is happening, and then you're praying and then you're saying अगर कुछ हो गया तो भगवान की मर्जी. तुम्हारी मर्जी कहाँ गई? तुमने क्या किया वो भी तो देखो. So again I will repeat, Vastu is very important. In fact, when you are sitting and reading a book, which position you are sitting will tell you that the material is going straight into your brain and you will never forget it. I can give this to you in a practical example. Bring a child जो बोलेगा कि मेरे को याद नहीं रहता है, हम उसको ऐसी पोजीशन में बिठाएंगे, ऐसे कलर के कपड़े के ऊपर बिठाएंगे कि उसको याद रहेगा. तो वास्तु is that minute and that big.
Okay. So one should take Vastu seriously.
It is seriously, but not to the podcast level where what is there in your kitchen, what is there in your bedroom, what is there on your sheet. वो सब नहीं है, इतना सिंपल नहीं.
तो अगर किचन नॉर्थ ईस्ट में बन गया है तो उससे उसको हटाने की ज़रूरत है या नहीं है?
अब तो देखो बिल्डिंग्स हैं, हम लोग वर्ल्ड को तो चेंज कर नहीं सकते. वी कांट चेंज द गवर्नमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज देयर, इफ यू आर देयर एंड बड़ी मुश्किल से तो आपने वो 10 करोड़ रुपए लेके मकान बनाया अपना, तो अब मैं उसमें 1.5 करोड़ और खर्च कर दूं आपको तोड़ फोड़ करने में, तो पहले तो पूरी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर असर होगा, आपकी जेब के ऊपर भी असर होगा. सो आई विल, मी एज अ पर्सन विल गो एंड पोजिशन small things in such a manner, not using anything from the outer world, from your house only. To do this, and don't do this, you will feel comfortable. So it's again back to देश काल पात्र.
ठीक है.
कि आज देश में ये हो रहा है, और कंट्रीज में जाती हूँ तो ये हो रहा है, तो मैं वहां पर थोड़ी बोलूंगी वास्तु में ये करो. अब स्विमिंग पूल तो घरों में बनने लग गए. ठीक है. हाँ, बट इफ आई हैड टू इनकैश इट, which unfortunately I don't have degree, so I couldn't put it outside my door. And I'm very happy I didn't do that, because I would have misguided many people. Because I had to maintain my accounts. But right now I go by the flow.
Do you believe in numerology?
न्यूमरोलॉजी यहाँ तक है कि अब लोग 13 नंबर को बोलते हैं.
मैं भी आपसे, आपने ऐसा नंबर बोल दिया बिकॉज मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन जो सा है, इट वाज समथिंग दैट आई रियली वांटेड टू आस्क यू, और वो 13वें नंबर क्वेश्चन.
13 नंबर ऐसा है तो उसका जवाब ये देंगे कि वर्ल्ड ओवर भी अगर हम किसी की रेमेडी करना चाहते हैं, जैसे जो फॉरेनर्स होते हैं, दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, बट द वाइब्रेटिंग मंत्रास ऑफ दुर्गा सप्तशती गिव्स देम सोलेस. उसके 13 अध्याय हैं, तो आप कौन से नंबर को अच्छा या बुरा बोलोगे? सो न्यूमरोलॉजी विज़ाविज़ यू, न्यूमरोलॉजी विज़ाविज़ मी, न्यूमरोलॉजी विज़ाविज़ हिम इज डिफरेंट. ये कर सकते हैं कि आप आपके हिसाब से आपके घर में ये चीज इतने नंबर की नहीं होनी चाहिए, आपके हिसाब से. इट कैन नॉट बी जस्ट अ वाइडली सेट रूल.
तो 13 नंबर अनलकी सबके लिए नहीं है
ना.
13 नंबर लकी है बहुत लोगों के लिए भी.
हाँ, मैंने आपको बोल दिया 13 अध्याय पढ़ते हैं हम लोग दुर्गा सप्तशती के.
तो मेरा 13वां क्वेश्चन ये है.
ओह वाओ.
हम बात करते हैं कि कार्मिक बैलेंस होता है. यू नो, देयर आर अनफिनिश्ड थिंग्स दैट यू हैव लेफ्ट व्हेन योर सोल लीव्स
यस
the physical form. Do people come in each other's lives for a reason? Do people come onto this or take birth with a purpose? And how do people find their purpose?
I will start this answer with कि हम जो बोलते हैं कि ऐसा समय पूरा हो गया और चला गया. Who are you to define कि उसका समय हो गया? Then why is that word ke untimely death? So there has been something. If an aeroplane crashes, are we trying to convince ourselves if there are 218 passengers all have the same horoscope that they died on the same day? उसमें कोई 2 या 3 ऐसे बंदे होंगे, टेररिस्ट और नॉट टेररिस्ट, जिनकी पत्री में लिखा होगा कि ये 500 आदमी को लेके मरेगा. Now coming to the point, the example that I can give is Titanic, because it's a world known thing. So I would love to write on, when did Titanic manufacturing start? When did it finish? When was it sent on the
Voyage.
sea? Voyage. उससे हम मुहूर्त निकाल लेंगे. तो ये जो आपने बोला है कि क्या होता है, वो मुहूर्त से होता है. मतलब जो टाइमिंग होते हैं हमारे, सपोजिंग द बेस्ट नोन टाइमिंग पीपल टॉक ऑफ इज राहु काल, विच पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग नाउ. राहु काल आ रहा है, 7:11 से राहु काल शुरू हुआ है. यू हैव टू कैच अ फ्लाइट. So if you come back to me, I will say leave home at 6:30 instead of 7 o'clock. So you cross the Rahu Kal limit. You don't get into it. You're avoiding that route. It is like Google auntie telling you which route to take. Astrology has an answer to every problem. Point is, you should be receptive.
Got it.
It has an answer. And I have seen people, I'm again like blessed and lucky that I have followers who change their plans. Worst come worst, एक दिन पहले आएंगे, they will pay extra to the hotel, or they will go a little later and pay an extra to the hotel, but they can avoid the disaster.
Got it.
So what I will repeat and request you is that we have to see this science as a remedy to a lot of things.
But I want to come back to this question again.
Yes.
क्या जिस से मेरी शादी हुई है, जिस पेरेंट्स के घर में मैं पैदा हुआ हूँ, जो बच्चा मेरे घर में आया है, या जो दोस्त मेरे को मिले हैं, जो जिनके साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, कोई कारण है उनका मेरी जिंदगी में आने का?
आपका भी तो कारण है ना यहाँ आने का. आप एक नॉन एस्ट्रोलॉजर होके आप एस्ट्रोलॉजी को एक शेप दे रहे हैं, विच इज विजिबल इन योर हॉरोस्कोप, दैट यू आर गोइंग टू टॉक ऑफ things which were forgotten. I recognized it, and you accepted it. So we both move forward. Similarly is, आपके घर में वो बच्चा पैदा हो सकता है जिसको कि आपने पिछले जन्म में बहुत तंग किया था, तो वो बदला लेने आया आपके पास यहाँ पर. अब हम लक्ष्मी की बात करते हैं. 8 प्रकार की लक्ष्मी होती हैं. उसमें एक संतान लक्ष्मी भी होती है. कुछ पेरेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं, बट देयर चिल्ड्रन राइज टू अ पॉइंट वेयर दे गिव देम एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ. So I repeat my answer, we have an answer to every remedy, every question. And there is nothing happening without any reason. That reason can also be that you let in a bad soul into your house knowing that this person is going to harm you. So now bhukto. If he's done something wrong to you, then I take my responsibility. I will not blame that person.
वो तो जो कहते हैं कि आपको कुछ सिखाने के लिए आया है या आपका आपसे
समझ
कुछ
लो
लेने
आपने
के लिए आया है, वो
छीनने-
सही है.
सही है, वो सही है. कि another question I ask is कि I will not name anybody, but if the queen or the king dies and the child has to take over on the same day, is it a bad day or a good day for that child? How will you define it?
Very true.
right?
Very true.
So again, coming back to that point, like we have these things in our hands. This is your karma. This is your Jupiter. This is your Saturn. This is your Sun. This is your Mercury. So उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? कर्म तो ठीक है हम करेंगे, पहले गुरु का ज्ञान, फिर मेहनत, फिर आत्मा की शुद्धि, फिर बुद्धि. ये सब आपको बुद्धि की तरफ लेके जाते हैं कि कैसे यूज करनी है आपकी बुद्धि.
Again it comes back to whether you're destined to do this or not. अगर आपके, जैसे आपने बोला कि
हाँ,
हॉरोस्कोप में आपका लिखा हुआ है कि आप इस टाइप का काम करोगे,
ऐसा भी नहीं लिखा हुआ कि आप ऐसा अगर सुधारना चाहोगे तो नहीं सुधार पाओगे, ऐसा भी नहीं है. वो ढीठ लोग भी आते हैं.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यू हैव टच्ड अपॉन.
हाँ,
क्या मैं अपनी किस्मत बदल सकता हूँ?
आप इतनी किस्मत बदल सकते हैं कि अगर आपके हॉरोस्कोप में इंजीनियर बनना लिखा है तो आप आर्किटेक्ट भी बन सकते हैं, कोई और भी इंजीनियर बन सकते हैं. बट अगर ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिखा हुआ कि आप फेमस होंगे थ्रू एक्टिंग, तो आप नहीं जा सकते हो वहाँ पर. आप कैमरामैन तक बन सकते हो. तो ये सारे प्रोविजंस हैं. Then it is like coming back to the surgeon. The surgeon knows whether I can repair this part or not repair this part.
सो इन दिस केस अगर हम एक बच्चे की पत्री देख के समझ सकते हैं कि ये बच्चा किस टाइप के प्रोफेशन में जाएगा, सो दैट द पेरेंट्स कैन अलाइन देयर एफर्ट्स टुवर्ड्स दैट, हम उसको पुश ना करें कि तूने डॉक्टर ही बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है.
वही बात आ गई कि पेरेंट्स को मैं ज़्यादा समझाऊंगी फिर कि आपका बच्चा एक बॉर्न आर्टिस्ट है. ठीक है, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि द कॉल ऑफ द टाइम इज़ दैट 12वीं भी होनी चाहिए, BA भी होना चाहिए, डिग्री भी होनी चाहिए. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली एंड फॉर्चुनेटली वी आर स्टडिंग बुक्स ऑफ पीपल हु आर एक्चुअली बीन थ्रोन आउट ऑफ द स्कूल.
करेक्ट.
Right? So here the training is needed to the parents. The child is inborn.
You know, it's a very important thing because rather than trying to focus on something which is a fad, you
Yeah.
could actually focus on the strengths that the child may have.
Very simple. You're swimming against the current, swimming with the current.
Very true. Very true.
तो बस इतना ही बताया जाएगा कि आप करंट के अगेंस्ट इसको मत लेके जाइए. I've got to see horoscopes where the child becomes an engineer. And ages ago, I had told the mother that your son is going to earn by singing. So mother says ki you're trying to show your astrological arrogance to me. Today the child is earning through singing. He's left his engineering.
Another very important aspect is कि आपने बोला कि बच्चा सिंगर बनेगा या पैसे कमाएगा सिंगिंग से. फॉर वट एवर प्रेशर्स, वर्ल्डली प्रेशर्स, पेरेंट्स का दबाव, बच्चे को आपने इंजीनियर बना दिया, कमा रहा है, अच्छा पैसा कमा रहा है, सब कुछ कर रहा है. डज दैट मीन दैट एस्ट्रोलॉजी गलत थी, या फिर अगर वो सिंगर बनता तो इससे बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होता? व्हाट शुड बी द
सबसे
व्यू?
पहले तो वो जो अगर इंजीनियर बन के बैठा भी है तो वो डिससैटिस्फाइड भटक रहा होगा. नाउ आई विल ट्राई टू कंबाइन हियर कि आपने इंजीनियर बनाना ही है ना, तो वो म्यूजिक सिस्टम वाला इंजीनियर बना दो.
गॉट इट.
You know, it has to be a soul to soul talk. It should not be imposed. Neither can I impose anything on you for your son. Neither can you tell me कि please teach, like there are people coming to my house, my daughter is living with this man for 10 years, can you please tell her that this man is not good for her? I said, why didn't you tell her before she walked in? She started staying with him. So we are being used for many things. I mean, I can still say that all other professions are also being misused. I'm not here to comment on them, but because we are the worst ones to be attacked, because we don't have a timeline, we don't have a streamline, We don't have a recognition to the point that we should be recognized. That is why misuse.
Got it. आपने बताया था कि I'm going back to one of the conversations that we were having, that जगह,
देश काल
birth,
पात्र.
देश का, then date of birth, time of birth, then parents that you were born into,
Yeah.
उनकी किस्मत क्या थी, वो कैसे हैं, all of this, and then ऊपर से आपने बताया था कि 50 नक्षत्र हैं, 27, और ये कैलकुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा समय लेती होगी इसको. टू प्रिपेयर अ कुंडली मस्ट बी एन एक्सटेंसिव टास्क. और आपने बताया था कि ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप आए और मैंने आपको 1 घंटे के अंदर ही सब कुछ बना के फिर कर दिया.
हो रहा है मगर होता नहीं है, ऐसा होता नहीं है.
बट आज की डेट में सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं और ये सब चीज़ें, एप्स बननी शुरू हो गई हैं.
हाँ.
क्या वो भी एक्यूरेट हैं?
तो
क्या उन पे रिलाई कर सकते हैं?
App is going to be what I am going to tell the app.
करेक्ट.
So I think I've answered your question.
No, but are there any apps which are taking into account this holistic view of what should be done?
Holistic view नहीं है, calculated view है. But this subject needs a holistic view.
Right.
Whether you are in any part of the world.
Now, another thing that comes into my mind is when I think about astrology, तो कहीं ना कहीं इंडिया के अंदर मेरे को लगता है people align it to religion also. They are not able to differentiate it from religion or the spiritual beliefs. कि ये हिंदू एस्ट्रोलॉजी है, ये साउथ की एस्ट्रोलॉजी है, और पंडित ही बताते हैं आगे क्या होगा. जैसे आपने बोला कि प्रोफेशनल नहीं है, तो पंडित इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू टेल यू कि इनके बारे में बताइए. How can we differentiate between religion and this science?
Astrology has nothing to do with religion. Nothing. Like I said, even all these things that I have here are like I grew up with them. ठीक है? But if you say I need to focus, I can just focus on the light which is coming from the universe. So, religion and astrology, if joined together, is disaster. Because then it becomes fanatism. Spirituality is something to do with the soul. Nothing to do with being born in Hindustan or Geneva, Rome, Paris, anywhere. It's your spirituality. If you think you are comfortable saving the girls who have been molested and look after them, that's your spirituality.
Got it. There are all kinds of astrologers. There are
all kinds of professions in all fields.
All fields. Astrologers, spiritual masters, gurus today. And it is for a layman, in absence of, like you said, a professional qualification or a stamp saying that this is a person who has the knowledge or not, for a layman, how does he or she know that they are going to the right person? How do you choose your right astrologer?
I have answered this question, that it's the guru who chooses the shishya. Plus, in this world of marketing, like people tell me, you can never become famous, you can never tell the world what to do because you have no marketing. You don't have Instagram, you don't have YouTube, you don't have anything. I said, because I don't get time. If you have to sit and chant for 7 to 10 hours, where is the time? You need some time to eat, bathe, do other things in life.
Correct.
Okay, so in this marketing time, it's but natural that you will go with the flow of the beauty or the pull of the beauty and go to that place. Like I said, going to the mountains and learning something to be peaceful is not applicable when you come back to your 2-bedroom flat. So this question is actually cannot be answered.
डिम्पी जी, आपने एक बारी बताया, जैसे वास्तु की बात करी, कि दैट पहाड़ है, हम पहाड़ों को काट रहे हैं, उसके बारे में बॉदर नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन घर में हम कहाँ पे बैठ रहे हैं, कहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में बॉदर कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, सानू की.
हाँ, हम बेसिकली अपने प्लैनेट को, विच इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द एस्ट्रोनॉमी,
Yeah.
we are dividing it of what it was naturally made to be.
But this planet is our actual home, na?
Absolutely. But हम एस्ट्रोलॉजी को कैन वी टेक इट बियॉन्ड अ पर्सन? कैन वी, बिकॉज हम बात करते हैं कि ये कंट्री के लिए ये समय अच्छा नहीं है,
बिल्कुल.
ये इकोनॉमी के लिए अच्छा समय नहीं है. हाउ डू वी टेक एस्ट्रोलॉजी बियॉन्ड एन इंडिविजुअल टू अ कम्युनिटी और टू अ नेशन और टू अ जोग्राफिकल लोकेशन?
How? It is such a beautiful question that you need to be awarded for this. The first thing I will request that the people who make changes to the government, to the universe, their horoscopes should not be discussed publicly. What is the use of a Z plus or a security? If everything that is there in your planets, there are masterminds who are looking for your weak times. They are going to attack you during the day. So, with all due respect to everybody who talks about very big people and इनके हॉरोस्कोप में ये होगा, इनका ये समय है, अरे भाई क्यों बता रहे हो, कोई छेद करने को बैठा हुआ है. There should be a stop to that. It is a one-to-one thing. If it is not a one-to-one thing, please disclose your password to your phone or your locker. फिर देखते हैं. वो सब तो आपने छुपा लिया. प्लैनेट्स बता रहे हैं कि फलाने फलाने मिनिस्टर का टाइम खराब है, तो भाई बैठे हुए ना अटैक करने वाले.
बिल्कुल ठीक बात है.
So then the astrology should be used like that day you gave the opportunity of a ministry to be sitting there. It is for them to learn how to make use of this subject, of this science, because सबसे पहले उनके पास provision है. If I tell them that this land is particularly good for growing this herb, they have the authority to clear it up or get the provisions for that herb to grow. That herb which can actually, if consumed by human beings, दिमाग ठीक ज़्यादा होएगा. तो वो सब तो हम करते नहीं है. Everything is packaged. The moment it is packaged, it is not Ayurveda. Because you are using chemicals to save them.
ठीक बात है.
So first of all, this subject should be, world over, should be used by people who can have an impact, can impose, can actually give provisions for a betterment.
How do you think we can take astrology, or at least our Indian way of astrology, which has traditionally been respected, may not have been made official in terms of as a accepted profession, but socially it is widely accepted and it has been understood by a large set of people in our country.
Understood but not actually properly used.
Not properly used.
Ah.
How can we take this science to the world? How can India be positioned, or Indian astrologers, genuine astrologers, be positioned and be useful to spread this knowledge, to spread the use of it across the world?
I do not think we can use the term Indian astrologers or anything like that, because then it again becomes a person to person misuse. But
Astrologers per se.
Per se. So I will say the present government has the ability, with the head, the person, the head of the government right now, he is so spiritually inclined that he can find a way out. For Bharat Desh to become the leader of the world. Leader in the sense of guiding people, not leader as for guns or fights or wars or anything like that. To beautify this planet. We don't need to win wars to be the leader. We can win hearts to be the leader.
Lovely.
And astrology is one subject which gives you peace. And if people all around are peaceful, you are done.
How do you use astrology in healthcare? Because
Healthcare
you know
has-
that I'm very passionate about healthcare as a domain.
Yeah.
And one of the things that we are talking of is we are working towards prevention. And we always say that prevention is better than cure.
Cure.
Prevention can be done if there is predictability.
Okay.
And astrology does predictability. So, how can we use astrology?
जैसा खाओ अन्न वैसा रहे मन. ठीक है? So if your body is in tune, your mind is then in tune. The soul part is always there. That cannot be denied, because जब तक soul है, we are alive. The moment soul quits, we are done. So the nakshatras that you're born in, now we can't go back कि when your parents did not cohabitate on the right time, or my did not do that, or so and so did not do that. We have no choice. We can't go back those 9 months. So now we have the provision that how to repair it now by small tidbits. Like I said, I did not get to know that I'm a severe heart patient. I did not get to know that I'm a thalassemia minor. When my daughter was born, my hemoglobin fell down to 4. So I was told you have to buy blood for yourself. I had no money for food. Forget about blood. So I did remedies for myself, and today my hemoglobin is 13.5. Better than a healthy human being. It took me time to learn because I was not born to a Brahmin's family. So I also grew with this subject. But all I can say is I live, I eat, I sleep, I drink astrology. I live by it. I don't live by that saying कि हलवाई अपनी मिठाई नहीं खाता है. And there are senior astrologers who tell me, don't apply it on yourself. I said, then how do I test it? I first apply it, I pinch myself, how much is it hurting? Then I move forward.
So, whatever you are doing
Huh.
is something that you have already experienced.
Experienced
You've done
and-
it and seen the outcome of it.
Unfortunately, people do not want to listen to their bad health. They say, please don't talk anything bad. And 3 months, second stage cancer is declared. Then they come back.
अगर आपने किसी को उसकी नेगेटिव चीज़ें जो उनके साथ हो सकती हैं उनको बताई, तो आपको लगता है यू आर डूइंग मोर गुड और मोर हार्म? क्या वो उस डर से सहम जाएंगे या उसके बारे में कुछ करने की क्षमता रखेंगे?
जबकि हम देखते हैं कि there is no choice and the person is succumbing to whether wrong medicine, wrong medication, wrong surgery or whatever, then my job is to give peace, comfort to the soul.
क्योंकि अगर उसका समय अभी भी ठीक नहीं है
हाँ.
तो आपकी बात सुनेगा भी नहीं.
नहीं, वो तब तो उस टाइम तक तो वो आ जाते हैं लाइन पे. फैमिलीज नहीं आती हैं.
अच्छा, वो आए आपके पास इसीलिए हैं क्योंकि अगेन इट इज फॉर अ रीजन.
For a reason. ठीक है? I've had 2 or 3 patients who have said that we've come to you for a peaceful quitting from life. It was very painful for me, but I did give them all my best. But if I tell somebody that listen, you've got pregnant on the wrong date, now please monitor your pregnancy. So at least if there is some disaster happening, the doctors will advise you not to bring that kind of a child to this world, or the doctor will repair it. So in any ways, I think it's very important to know what's happening to your body. But in the future, now, those who are going to produce can use it far better than we have been doing it. Because then they can have the time of conception, they can, like a certain period tak I will guide people, please don't get pregnant till this date. So we have better human beings coming to this earth, hence a better planet. at the end of the day, what are we searching for? Peace. At the end of the day, you want to have your house in a place where it's all beautiful around.
My last question to you.
That cannot, your questions on astrology can never be last. So for
I mean,
today,
for today, because I can go on. I can go on for next 3 hours as well. I mean,
Yeah.
as and when we are talking,
more things come
more
up.
things are coming into my mind. I know a little bit about your life, right? So I'll not go deep into it. But you had your challenges. You had your fair share of challenges right from the time when you were born until very, very late, at every step of your life,
No, every day.
every day. Physical health, mental health, financial, all of this was there. And you've got over all of this, right? Either you have got over it or you are managing it.
Managing.
Right?
Yeah.
Do you think this is an outcome of what you created out of understanding of your astrology and consciously working on it? Or was it destined to change?
I think I'll combine all of it, because when I met this very senior person who blessed me, stood up, I can cry for hours when I remember that scene. He stood up and he bowed down to me and said, I'm meeting the world's best astrologer today.
When you did not even know that.
I didn't even know that something like this exists. And he took out his diary and gave me a red pen, wo jo dip karte hai na. And he said, write, if Dimpy does not become an astrologer, I leave astrology. He made me write it and sign it. I didn't even know where I'm going.
And you were a child.
No, that was after all the traumas of my bad marriage.
Oh, this
and
is okay.
long. No, earlier also people used to tell me, but that time there was no need. But right now the need was to buy food for kids. So I was in search of work. How do I do it? The last resort was going to people's houses and washing and cleaning their house. That was the last resort when he came to me. And then Swamiji from Datia. I have not met him physically, but the day I bowed down to him, I think gold was raining after that. Challenges didn't get over. People troubling me didn't get over. But I don't know from where I got the power.
Dimpyji, this has been such a beautiful conversation from various aspects. One, for me, understanding that there is a science behind whatever we are talking.
It's your horoscope.
It's your horoscope. Because there's a science behind your horoscope.
It's your horoscope.
Uh-huh.
It's your horoscope, and the time has come when you have to unveil this.
Right.
And you accepted it.
That's what I'm saying. So, that there's more of an acceptance of something which you otherwise did not understand, and you become non-judgmental about it. Right? That's one. Second is the need for astrology or such kind of sciences to find acceptance as a profession, where
As
there
a
are
guide.
where they are taken as standards.
As
There
a
are
guide.
certifications where people can start trusting who to go to, who not to go to.
We have to combine this with the medical people and the law faculty, where when I got into this, I had very high senior ups coming to me and throwing horoscopes in front of me and asking, isne murder kiya ki nahi kiya? If I would say yes, they would proceed in that manner. If I say no, he's been trapped into it, they would try and help that person. So it is a science to be combined and accepted willingly by all others.
Right. And the last thing that I took away बिकॉज हर चीज़ के जब क्वेश्चन करते हैं यू नो यू आर देर इज़ अ डाउट दैट इज़ देयर, इट क्रिएट्स अ सेल्फ डाउट ऑन वेदर टू एक्सेप्ट इट, नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट. And if we have to do it, I think the most important thing that I have taken away is that look at the positive side of it. If you can redefine your life, you can better it for yourself, for your family, for your people around you, then it gives you the faith and conviction to be able to do that and make a difference to yourself. You know, and that is where I found, I mean, this is my personal takeaway, that astrology can actually work towards strengthening the law of attraction, which gives you the faith to do something about it.
Yeah, it's like chant. Like I said, it's a very simple thing I tell people. Your file is stuck up in the Ministry of Commerce. Why are you going to Ministry of Health? कि कोई भी भगवान मिला, ठीक है, टन 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 कर दिया, पंडित ने 100 रुपये ले लिए, 500 रुपये ले लिए, आपको बोल दिया इनकी पूजा करो, आपका काम हो जाएगा. जब नहीं होगा तो ब्लेम गेम. बाई चांस आपका सही हो गया तो देन you've done it. So it's high time we come out of this.
Got it.
And the very small thing I will tell you is, which is very actually important, you, me, him or anybody, the moment we try to take a flight abroad, आप वीज़ा की भी लाइन में खड़े होते हो, आप इमिग्रेशन में भी खड़े होते हो, आप वहाँ के रूल्स भी फॉलो करते हो, वहाँ का सिस्टम भी जानते हो. यही आदमी जो यहाँ पर खड़े होकर थू थू करता है, जाके दुबई में करे नहीं. So this is the power of human brain. They know what to do when, but because we are not defined, we try our tactics. I have a email with me, like written to me 20, जब भी email start हुआ होगा उस time पे, a person who had given me trauma went, and I told him, I said, don't do this, you will repay it. He went to Dubai and he went to jail. And when they asked him, okay, who do you want to contact? He writes a mail. He said, I want to write a mail to my astrologer. I said, you never believed in astrology. कि I'm in trouble, can you please save me? वही पहले मान जाता. I have an email. So whatever I have spoken to you in all this duration, I have all the proofs with me.
Dimpi ji, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for allowing me to have this conversation.
But I'm still hungry. And I'm sure you are also.
Right. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. Lovely speaking with you.
Thank you.